So I was gonna try to figure out what was going on with these. When you turn them on, they're not very bright. Both sides are that way. So I just decided to get some new turn signals all the way around, because even the back, the 2-in-1, it's just not very bright, especially during the day. At night it'd probably be okay, but during the day it's not very bright. So I got some of these. These are not LED, these are standard incandescent or whatever they are. And they're much bigger, hopefully much brighter. So yeah, I'm gonna install these, and just a little bit of a before and after. There's before. Trying to do this with 2 hands, need 3 hands. That's a lot better. Looks like it's gonna work, sweet. Got it all back together now. It was really easy to wire. It was just basically plug and play for the most part. Had to crimp a few new connectors on, but apart from that, pretty simple. And there's a small difference, to say the least. Yeah, it's not even a comparison. I mean, that turn signal is probably brighter than the brake lights are. So we have to take it for a run on the road. I've got my tags and everything for it, so I've been riding 4 times now, and I'll have to get a mount set up on my helmet and take it for a ride once. Thanks for watching.